Hello everybody, my name is Vlad. Welcome to the channel and listen to me. If you want to make your videos look and feel professional, there's one simple step you need to start with. Lighting. Lighting can completely change the feel, look, and the emotion of a video if distributed correctly throughout the scene. You can make your videos look from this, hello, to this. And by the way, if it's your first time here and you think what's going on here might interest you, make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell, as this way you'll get notified as soon as videos are posted. Today, we're gonna be talking and unboxing the softbox kit from Neewer. Okay guys, it's time we unbox this kit and see exactly what's inside. For this mega unboxing, we're gonna be using a pair of scissors and let's see exactly what's inside. So, in the box we have one large carrying bag that will be handy for storing and carrying the kit around if needed. Everything fits perfectly in if well organized, and it is quite small considering how big the lights are. Two square soft boxes with dimensions of 60 by 60 centimeters that have a reflective interior for the same principle as a normal halogen car headlight. And two diffusers that can be attached to the softbox with the use of the velcros. Two sturdy stands that can go as high as 224 centimeters and which are not the easiest to set up, but for the price point it is acceptable. And finally, two big bulbs with an intensity of 5500 kelvins and a wattage of 85 watts. They are quite bright, and even after 2 hours of continuous work, they weren't hot. All this kit cost me £57 as I found it on a sale, but its normal price is 90 quid. The overall quality of the kit may not be the best, but for the price point, I would say it's a quite good deal. Okay, the next step is to install the softboxes, and even though it didn't come with an installation manual, everything is pretty straightforward, so let me show you. As you can see, I already started with the stand. You just unscrew this, unfold the feet, screw it back on, and this is it. Then you can see this cable here, it leads to the softbox that we are about to take now. If we take a look inside, we will see this plastic ring that we have to push on just that way, just like this. And when it's in position like that, it works as an umbrella, by the way, it's fully open. We unscrew this and we place it over the stand. Then we screw it back on in position, just like this. Okay, the next step is to take the light bulb and screw it in its socket. Make sure you don't overscrew as you might damage the bulb. We can test it right now. It works. And the last step, and one of the most important of a softbox, is to get the diffuser and place it on all the corners of the softbox, just like this, and use the velcros to fix it in place. And this is your softbox. We can start it and it works. It diffuses light beautiful. After installing the softboxes in your room, there's only one question that remains unanswered. Where do you place the softboxes in your room in order to get the desired look? Well, and this is the fun part, because the same as that, there is no particular rule that you have to obey. But you can play around till you find your desired look. Even though I just said there are no particular rules, there are some tips that you should be following at the beginning before playing around with them and finding your desired look. Set the softboxes in a 45-degree angle to you. Then set their height in such a way that the middle of the softbox is above your eye level. Finally, Tilt the softboxes downwards in order to reach for your eyes. This is what you should begin with, but then play around and get exactly the feel of the video that you want. Alright guys, hope you found this video useful and made you realize that with a minimum of investment, you can drastically improve the quality of your videos. The kit presented here today might not have been the best, but for the price point, it should be your best deal on the market. Also, it's very good as a starter's kit. Okay, and before I do the outro, let me show you once again the difference between with and without softboxes. Give a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you wanna see more, and press the notification bell as this way you'll get notified as soon as videos are posted. See you later guys, bye.